This video is a small section from our Sound Operators training course. The course covers all aspects of sound operation in an audio-video format. Learn more about our training materials in the training section on our website, www.electrosystems.com. This video provides an introduction to microphone proximity effect. So, what is proximity effect? Obviously, as you move away from a microphone, the volume of the sound decreases. Did you realize, however, that the frequency response or tone of the sound also changes? This is what we refer to as proximity effect. When you are speaking very close to a microphone, there is an increase in low frequency or bass. As you move away from the microphone, the bass decreases. Depending on the microphone, the sound can become very thin and tinny. Some microphone datasheets show this on their specifications. Here we have an example of a high proximity effect microphone. In this example, curve A represents the rise in bass at a distance of 1/4 inch. This is the curve at the highest point. Curve B, which is the middle curve, still shows some rise at 2 1/4 inches. However, the response is flat at 100 Hz. Beyond 2 1/4 inches, we start to see a loss of low frequency below 100 Hz. Most microphones exhibit this type of high proximity effect. Some are more pronounced than others. A high proximity effect microphone is good for close use, about 1 to 4 inches. But beyond that, you will have poor sound quality and more feedback problems. There are a few microphones which are designed with a low proximity effect. Here is a response curve for the Electrovoice RE20. It is at the far end of the scale because it has no proximity effect. Most low proximity effect microphones produce a bit of bass increase when you're up close. This particular one is almost perfectly flat. Note in this graph that the dashed line in the RE20 response curve refers to a bass roll-off switch and not a change in distance. Although you pay a bit more for a low proximity effect microphone, it is much more versatile. It will give you excellent smooth sound at any distance. This makes it perfect for anything from close-up vocals to choirs. The high proximity effect microphone, on the other hand, is only good for close-up vocals. Now we'll talk about speech and vocal applications. Proper microphone use is critical to good sound and feedback elimination. The cliché garbage in, garbage out is as true for sound as it is for anything else in life. The selection of the right microphone for the job is only part of the task. Using it properly is just as important. For speech and vocal applications, it is usually best to have a separate microphone for each person. They need to use the microphone within its design parameters. It is fine to use a high proximity effect microphone as long as they never have their mouth more than 4 inches away from it. If they will be farther back, you will need to use a low proximity microphone. Learn more about microphone proximity effect and how to use it effectively with our Sound Operators training course. You will find details in the training section on our website, www.electrosystems.com.